Classroom English Day 5. Today's topic is simple tenses. Tense. What is tense? Tense is a form of verb. Tense is a form of verb. It shows time of an action. Since tense means a verb form, here we have to discuss about verb forms. We know that a verb has four forms. They are present form, past participle, present participle. Easily reminded as V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, here we discuss about three simple tenses. They are simple present, simple past, simple future. Simple present is used to express regular actions. Regular actions means, for example, daily actions, everyday go on actions, always, never, often, these kind of actions. To express simple present sentences in simple present, which verb is used? V1 verb is used. We use V1 verb. Okay, next simple past. Simple past is used to express past actions which completed in the past. Which completed in the past means the actions which completed yesterday, day before yesterday, last year, last Sunday, in the past, like this. So, in simple past, we use V2 verb, past form of the verb. Coming to simple future. Simple future is used to express future actions. Future actions means the actions which will occur in the future. For example, the actions will occur tomorrow, next year, next week, next month, like this. In simple future, we use shall or will plus V1. Shall or will plus V1 verb. Okay, for example, let us see some simple present sentences. Here, I drink tea. Drink, V1 verb is used. We drink tea. You drink tea. They drink tea. But coming to he, she, it, he drinks tea. She drinks tea. It drinks tea. Here is the special. What is that? For he, she, it, SRES is coming. In simple present tense, if the subject is third person singular, V1 verb is added with SRES. Third person singular, we know that first person pronouns are I, we. Second person pronouns are you. Third person pronouns are he, she, it, they. Here, third person singular, he, she, it. For example, if we take name, Rama, is it third person singular or not? Rama. Pronoun of Rama is he, so it is third person singular. Sita. Pronoun of Sita is she, third person singular. School. Pronoun it, so third person singular. For example, students. Pronoun of students is they. It is not third person singular. It is third person plural. So, we have to remind that if the subject is third person singular, he, she or it, the V1 verb is added with SRES. In simple present only. Coming to simple past, it's common to all, I to it. For every subject, it's common, V2 only comes. I drank tea, we drank tea, you drank tea, they drank tea, he drank tea, she drank tea, it drank tea. Next, simple future. In simple future, shall or will plus V1 verb is used. Shall for first person, I or we. For IV only, shall is used. To the remaining, will is used. So, I shall drink tea. We shall drink tea. You will drink tea. They will drink tea. He will drink tea. She will drink tea. It will drink tea. For example, I dash play chess daily. Here, play, the verb is there. For these simple tenses, first of all, we have to remind play, played, will play. Which verb form come here? Here, daily. Daily means regular action. Regular action is used in simple present tense only. Simple present tense means which verb is used here? Which verb comes? V1 verbs. Play, play. Right answer. I play chess daily. If here yesterday comes, I play chess yesterday. Yesterday means it is past action. Past action means it is simple past. In simple past, which verb form is used? Past verb. So here, played. I played yesterday. Otherwise, I play chess tomorrow. Tomorrow means it is future action. Future action, it is simple future. In simple future, which verb is used? Shall or will plus V1. Here I. So for I, shall plus V1. Shall play. Next, as the same. She dash be in Hyderabad now. Be. Be means undu in Telugu. Let us see be forms first. Be forms. Present be forms and past be forms. Present be forms are am, is, are. Past be forms are was, were. The remaining be, been, been. So totally be forms are am, is, are, was, were, be, been, been. So come to here. She dash be in Hyderabad now. Now means present. So she is. She is in Hyderabad now. Otherwise, she dash in Hyderabad last year. Last year means past. So she, past singular, was. She was in Hyderabad last year. Otherwise, she dash in Hyderabad next year. Future. For future we use she will be. She will be in Hyderabad next year. Thank you.